XGT power cutter, it was nice, smooth, had no issues.
The power that it has cuts metal like nothing.
Felt real good in my hands, smooth cutting.
No jumping in the cut start, just nice and smooth.
It just cut through like butter.
I would definitely prefer the XGT lineup over a gas tool.
Gasoline, more of a hassle just for the fumes being around you, the noise, turning it on. Sometimes it doesn't turn on right away. Battery eliminates all that.
Get another battery charge and you're ready to go.
We expect our tools to be tough and rugged, and we ask a lot out of them.
We worked with concrete, 6,000 PSI, and that tool held its own power and did the job right. XGT 80 volt max power cutter, for sure is a game changer.